You have to give them a convincing cliffhanger. And if you think about this, like your favorite shows on Netflix do this really well, right? Like they get you to watch the next episode because they give you just a little piece of information that it makes you go, I gotta watch the next episode to get that one little detail, right? And
Yeah.
so, like with everybody's attention span becoming shorter and shorter, it's your job literally to give them a convincing cliffhanger, to give them just enough information that they want to go research it on their own, and they want to then come to a conclusion themselves. You said in the beginning, Brian, which was very astute of you, people need to convince themselves. And so if you're trying to move somebody down a continuum, you've got to give them something that they want to think about after they leave your conversation, right? So just a
Yeah.
little bit of cliffhanger. It's like, how do I do this? Here's just enough information. Go check this out. And most of us don't have the discipline to do it. We just go
That
all
that is that is that is that is so brilliant. That is so profound. I've learned so many things in this show already. But you're talking about, and I'm sure a lot of your people that you train and a lot of my listeners have had this experience. It's the 11:15. You're sitting on the couch with your spouse. You just watched a great show on Netflix, and you're like, "Oh, we got to watch 10 more minutes of the first show," right? I mean, and the